What's up guys and welcome in a new video. Today I'd like to show you how to install a Rabbitmq cluster. So you will see that it's really easy. A big part of this video is just to do the same thing like in the previous video, but with some little changes, of course, to set a cluster. So let's go. What is the main purpose of this video? So of course we need to do the same step like in the previous video to install like a single node, and after that and into our process we need to set what we named Erlang cookies. This is just like a token, for example, in the Rabbitmq configuration. So we put it into our settings to just be sure that if followers join the leader, we'll be sure that these followers that we allows to join this cluster. And after that, the followers, we just stop what we name the app. So this is the app into the virtual server based on the Erlang language. So we stop Rabbitmq into it. We join the leader, and then we start up again this app, and normally we will have our first cluster. So let's go to the terminal. On the left we have the Rabbitmq 1 server, and on the right we have the 2 and the 3. We take what we had in the previous video, but with some little changes. We will see that. The first thing is just to ensure that we have curl, GNU-PG, and apt transport HTTPS, and we put it on all server. Of course, you can group all server to run your command together, but I prefer to just follow this process to do one by one. This is only 3 servers. We can just check all things. The second thing that we need to do is to push or to pull the GPG key on all server. We can just be root on all server to be sure that we don't forget the sudo. We push the curl here and here again and here again on 3 servers, so it's okay, I think, yeah. And after that we need to install, of course, all our repositories in our apt source list. So we can put it push it like this. Okay, and now we can sudo apt update, of course, on all servers. Sudo apt update, and we need to check that all is okay. Apt update also on the 3rd server, perfect. And after that we can install, of course, Erlang part, so many components, many Erlang components. So on all server again. We will see in the next video how to completely automatically install whole cluster. The entire cluster will be installed with Vagrant and Bash provisioning. And of course, if you know how to use Ansible, maybe we will make another video to show you how to install Rabbitmq with Ansible. So this is very easy to do it if you already know Ansible. And after that, we install Rabbitmq server on all servers, like here. Okay. And now this is where we need to take care about which server is a leader, like on the left, the Rabbit1, and the followers, on the second side with Rabbit2 and Rabbit3, like here. And on all servers, we need to activate the Rabbitmq management plugin. Okay. We need to set what we name the Erlang cookie. This is we need to set it in a varlib Rabbitmq directory in a dedicated hidden file named .erlang.cookie, like here. And we set, like in the previous video, the listener to listen on whole interface, and the management TCP port again, and we need to restart the Rabbitmq server at the end. So we can run all together, like here, on whole server. Okay. You can, so for the Erlang cookie, you can see here we have just alphanumeric characters, and for alpha characters we need to use uppercase. This is really important. Okay, and after that we need also to set on the leader our first user, like in the previous video, and to disable the guest user. Okay, but just on the Rabbitmq1, not on the second and the third. Okay, and after that, so it's okay now for our Rabbitmq1 server. And after that, we just need to stop with the command rabbitmqctl. We need to stop _app on the follower server here on the Rabbitmq2 and the Rabbitmq3 server. Okay, and we need to join our first server, our leader, Rabbitmq1. So to do that, it's really very simple. We need to use a Rabbitmqctl command line, the join cluster argument, and use a user named Rabbit. This is by default, this is the user by default, arrobas, and after that, be careful, we use Rabbit1. Rabbit1, we can use it because we have a DNS in all server, we have in /etc host a DNS that allows us to solve Rabbitmq1 and to be sure to join this leader. So we can run it here, and it seems it's okay. Okay, perfect. And we can do the same thing on the third server. And if we go right now on the Rabbitmq interface, like here, we can take, and I need to open another terminal, new window, like here, and if I put it here with the GUI port, we have already our we have already our interface, but just with one server. And because I just run the join command, we have a second server, but not running because I need to start it. But just before, I just want to add the Rabbitmq3. Like you see, the Rabbitmq3 is not in our cluster right now. If I put the command, I can see that I have the same server with a node running. So I have Rabbitmq2, Rabbit2, Rabbit3, and now I can start all. Just before we can set or fix the flag, like in the previous video, to enable all flags. So we can run all like here. Okay. Missing cluster node. Ah, yeah. So we need to before to join all server. And now on the Rabbit2, we need to start the application. So to do that, we just run Rabbitmq ctl start app, and the same thing on the third node with the start app again. Perfect. And if we check here, we have all server green. That take few seconds, of course. Yes. Each step is just red if your server is out of the cluster or unavailable for the cluster, not ready. You have the yellow, but just need to check the server, and green, this is just to say the server is up and running and into the cluster. So this is what we have, and now we can fix the future flag again. Okay, and it's okay, I think right now. Can refresh. Oh yes, we need to, yeah, it's perfect. So and after that you can use the GUI, for example, to check what we have on our server, on each server. So the file descriptor used, Erlang process, memory, disk space, etc. So we will see in details in another video. That's it for today. Thank you for following this video. Don't forget to, and don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel, like and comment this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.